guys, today I'm going to be discussing heaps, a data structure that is often used in leak code problems and technical interviews. So what is a heap? A heap is a type of data structure that implements the priority queue ADT. The priority queue basically sorts tasks or elements by their priority. For example, a min heap is a data structure or a special type of binary tree that sorts elements by their value in descending order. So every time you pop out an element from the min heap, you return the smallest element in the binary tree. So heap is a type of binary tree where the root node and every node that is a parent to its children nodes is either smaller than or greater than its children nodes. A min heap is a type of binary tree where the root node or the parent node are smaller than the children nodes. And a max heap is a type of binary tree where the root nodes or parent nodes are greater than the child nodes. So every time you pop out, you call a pop operation on a min heap, you pop out the minimum element in the heap. So if you want to push an element to the heap, you just simply do import the heap queue package and then call the push operation, and then you pass in the heap data structure as well as the value that you want to be pushing into the heap. For max heap, it's a bit different. You want to, if you want to, first, if you pop out an element, you pop out the biggest element in the heap. To push an element to max heap, you will want to pass in the heap data structure and the negative version, and you want to negate the value that you want to pass in, and just pass in the opposite sign. And then when you pop out this value, you will want to negate it again to get the actual value that you're passing into the heap. So the timing space complexity is a lot better than arrays or linked lists, because for inserting an element and deleting an element, it will be O log n times. And getting the top element will be O of 1 time, and getting a size and is also O of 1 time. And constructing a heap is O of n time as well, where n is the number of nodes in this data structure. Thanks, guys.